Hi guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're going to talk about an article that's pretty specific and focuses on a piece of the market that's very lucky. Basically, I am jealous of anyone who's out in the market trying to get one of these things or who already has one. But the title of the article is "What to Know About Mobile Home Insurance," right? And mobile homes have become quite popular in the past few years, right? As people have migrated from kind of the brick and mortar office to working at home, in conjunction with travel, just in general, being more costly, right? And more variable due to the pandemic. So a lot of people have thought, hey, you know what? I can tackle two birds with one stone. I can work from home and travel, right? With a mobile home, why not? So it's been a good, it's been a good idea and a boon for many people. That said, because of its very nature, as you could imagine, it presents a very different risk than your traditional home. It's a home, but it's mobile, right? So it's a bit more vulnerable than a traditional home, and because of that, carriers. Obviously there are other variables, but carriers tend to rate it a bit riskier. The flip side of that is that it's oftentimes not as costly, right? The repairs are, because it's not, sure, you probably could get a $1 million mobile home, but it's not as often, right? So the limits aren't as high, typically aren't as high as a traditional home. But like home insurance, mobile home insurance is an absolute necessity, right? So it's a necessity in that you want to, just like a traditional home, you want to cover your home, the actual structure. You want to cover the personal property within the home, right? And in addition to that, you want to have coverage for your liability for that property around the home. Should an accident happen while someone is on your property or in your home, you want to be covered for that, right? There are a few things to remember though. Outside of kind of your traditional home insurance coverage, so the property, business, personal property, and liability, there are coverages, and this can be completely customizable. But remember to take in account your particular circumstances, because there are coverages that you can add on to your mobile home insurance. For example, if you have kind of a garage or a shed that you work in, you can add coverage for that. If you've had repairs before, and had to pay out-of-pocket expenses to stay at a hotel or something like that, you may want to add that coverage. So there are other pieces that you can add on to this coverage to make the package a bit more palatable for your situation, right? And as I said in the beginning, if you are thinking about or have already bought a mobile home, I'm absolutely jealous. Like most things, there are benefits to buying new. Of course, a used mobile home on average is going to be cheaper, but there are tax benefits to buying a new mobile home. It's typically much safer, a new mobile home, and then they're completely customizable, right? So you buy a new mobile home, it's done fairly quickly, and you can customize it to your own particular interest, which could be very cool. So hopefully, best of luck to you if you're out looking for a mobile home. It's going to be an incredible journey. But hopefully, even those who already have mobile homes. Hopefully there are some nuggets in here that you can utilize in terms of looking for mobile home insurance. Thanks for stopping by, guys. We'll chat with you next week.